Llegamos a otro lugar, el Ministerio de la Verdad, algo así dijo él. Hay caballos aquí, tienen como ponis y él está estacionando el carro porque como aquí son bien estrictos le dijeron que moviera el carro. Entonces aquí estamos, está bien bonito y ya casi ya fuimos a explorar casi todos los lugares más importantes de Pattaya. Es algo increíble. Tienen cabras también. Ahí está Messi. Ay, ay, ay. Y tienen todo. Como les digo, es súper estricto aquí, la verdad. Pero es muy hermoso. Al mismo tiempo, o sea, es algo increíble. Es que es hermoso. De la verdad. Mira el ministro, disculpen. Vamos, no sé la verdad que es. Yo nada más sé que lo van a dar un casco. Ese sí no lo he visto yo. No sé la verdad que me espera. Pero vamos a experimentarlo, ¿no? No creo que sea nada malo. Mucha gente, hay niños y todo eso. A la religión aquí la toman en serio. Hay muchos lugares donde van a orar y todo eso. Es bien bonito eso, ¿no? Que respeten las religiones y todo eso. No importa qué tipo de religión, pues todo se tiene que respetar. Pero esto se mira hermoso. Checkpoint. Tengo que ir ahí, creo, a darles el ticket mío. Entonces vamos aquí. No sé, pero sí se mira tremendo. Wow. El santuario de la verdad. Qué heavy. Qué heavy esto.
Which is like proposed and peace. Those four characters are the key component to bring peace to our society and to this world. And now it's getting time to explore it. And we would like to invite everyone to find the answer, the truth of life. And our garden waiting for you then downstairs. The tour is secret time around 45 minutes to 1.
Vamos caminando a ver el castillo, tipo castillo de Felipe Aire. Muy hermoso. No sé lo que me espera porque no he visto nada de esto. Igual le vamos a experimentar qué hay aquí. Se mira bien bonito y está bien cuidado, ¿no? Hay para tomar fotos. Está bien alto también. Hay como bien mucha agua. Nacimientos de agua creo que son, que vienen de arriba, de las montañas. Está súper bonito, la verdad. Aquí ese era otro lado que antes creo que hacían tour, pero arreglaron bien. Entonces, vamos. Ahorita lo puedo dejar porque me van a poner un coso en la cabeza. Ahorita les mando otro video. Vamos con los helmets. Tenemos está hermoso aquí. Está el río.
Okay, this way everyone for the English Garden Tour. Please get one helmet for your safety. Okay, come this way over here. Okay, please watch your steps. This way everyone. Okay, come this way over here. Alright, so everyone, we have a toilet here. Anyone can use the toilet, you can use now. Because inside the museum, we don't have any toilet, only here. So anyone can use the toilet, you can use now. Alright, so let's move forward. So everyone, our first area over here is our carving department. It's a little bit dusty and noisy, but it serves as the city's traditional practice methods. This place is the actual work.
Todo lo están haciendo a mano, de madera. Todo este caso está hecho de madera. O sea, qué lo que era eso, ¿no? Miren, ve.
So everyone, as you can see over there, that is the burner machine. They're burning up the wood to fit the columns inside the museum. And over here, this is the example of the decoration of the museum. So they will finish this 1 to 6 months. It depends on the measurement of the wood. In everyday carving, they will set up inside the museum. So they're using the kind of wood is the ironwood, rosewood, and redwood. They're also using the chisels and the hammer for carving. So everyone, don't worry. After the tour, you can get back here. You can experience how they carve it. Can we approach our staff over here? So they will stay until 5.
Miren, ve. Qué trabajo ese, ¿no? Wow. Todo esto lo hacen a mano así. Wow. Y ella con ese. Wow. Miren, ve.
Okay, so over here, so in front of you, this is the original model of the museum. It is scale 1 to 10, 1 centimeter here, and 10 centimeter over there. So we demonstrate first here before we conduct the real works. Our museum is different from the other places because we don't use frames.
Esta es la modelo que
However,
está, que se mira allá afuera.
that is only temporary to fix and to fit the wood. And after that, we remove the nails and replace the joint techniques. Alright, so everyone, I will show you the joint techniques over there. Okay, this way, come forward. Alright, over
Wow.
here.
Wow.
Okay, this way, over here. Okay, so everyone, this is tradition.
Qué lo que era esto, y todo a mano. Wow. Eso es exagerado. Exagerado. Wow. Todo esto lo han hecho a mano. Qué lo que era. vamos a entrar al museo. Es un museo, no es un templo, pero tienen a Buda adentro, entonces todavía tiene que
Alright, sway,
respetarse.
sway.
Lo vamos alrededor ahorita. Miren eso, qué hermoso. Es una loquera. Y todo esto es hecho a manos. Wow.
Alright, over here. Okay, so everyone, our museum has three main parts: the roof, the bodybuilding, and the base. So our roof has 5 tiers, from highest to lowest. And our bodybuilding is composed of vents, ceiling, floors, and windows. So over here is the base. It divided into two. So as you can see, the first layer has the decoration or the plain base. And the other one is decorated. Their beliefs in Feng Shui. It could be better if in front of the house is the sea and the exit must be facing to the hill. Okay, so let's move forward. This way.
Que quien hizo este cree en una creencia que la entrada tiene que estar con el océano y la salida tiene que ser al otro lado.
Everyone, so you can see the
Lo que está
song
haciendo
over
ella
here, the
ahorita.
monkey and the giant. That is the stories of Ramayana epic, which every society has good and bad. But in the end,
Está enseñando que todas las
all
sociedades
always
tienen
win
malo y
over
bueno
evil.
también.
So that is one of the Indian artwork here.
Y es de
Alright,
los
so-
indios, su tipo de arte, lo que está diciendo Rico ahorita. Es algo increíble.
Okay, so everyone later after the tour, you can stand up there and one of your friend will sacrifice to go down here so that you have a beautiful photo Instagram. Alright, so everyone, don't miss this spot, the balcony. You can come back here later. Alright, let's go inside this way.
後でな、あれがサーフィン撮れるっていうから。
So everyone, we have also lived here. That is one of the mechanical that we use here at the museum for the handicapped persons. So as you can see the 4 faces at the top, that is Brahma
Un
faces.
elevador.
Each represents the 4 golden states of mind, such as equanimity, loving kindness, empathy, joy,
Por si alguien
and
tiene silla de
compassion.
ruedas o no
Let's
puede
go inside this
caminar,
way.
porque las escaleras son un poquito altas, tienen su elevador de madera. Es una loquera totalmente, miren. Ve.
Alright, so everyone, before we go inside, please wear your helmet every time because inside the museum, they installing new artwork, food and drinks are not allowed. If you have a bottled water, you can put in your bag or in your pocket, no lives.
Es pura madera todo.
Please turn right, this way. Okay, please turn right. So you can look around first and relax. Okay, please turn right this way, everyone. Alright, over here. Please turn right. You can look around first and take photos. Yes.
El dios del juego. El dios de la agua.
Okay, please turn right. This way, over here.
El dios de la tierra.
You can look around first. Take photos.
El dios del viento.
Okay, so this one is like a mirror picture. You can generate my group over here. You can look around first. Okay, you can look around first. Good.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, I know it's very hot, but you're still following me. I appreciate you all. Okay, so inside the museum, we explore the seven traits of life. So we are now the first trait of life in the concept of human equality. No matter who we are, where we came from, we are all the same human beings. So we compounded with these four elements, which is earth, water, wind, and fire. So the first element over here is earth, which the most solid among all. It represents the animals and forests. In our body, it could be the skin, bones, and all organs. And the next one here is water, so which we all know as a liquid. The sculpture represents movement of the waves and the all sea creatures. In our body, it could be the blood, sweat, tears, and the liquids. And over there is wind. It represents the breath of life. In our body, it could be the gas produces oxygen to us to breathe. And the last one is fire. It represents the dragon breathing the fire down there. In our body, it could be the energy, metabolism, and temperature when we are sick. So everyone, all of these elements makes us all the same, equally balanced, and we deserve the same treatment and respect. So later, after the tour, you can come back here to take photos. So now let's move on to the other part of the museum, which is the second trait of life. Let's proceed over here this way. Alright, this way, this way. Okay, please watch your steps. Okay, so everyone, don't stay longer over here because they installing new artwork. Please wear your helmet every time. Okay, let's go forward this way, over here. This way, this way. Alright, over here, this way. Okay, come forward, everyone. Okay, you can take photo later after the tour. Just give me only 20 minutes for the information. This way, this way. Alright, over here. Okay, come forward over here. So everyone, we are now the second trait of life with how do we survive. It represents the cycle of life. From birth to death, our life depends on the nature. Without the nature, we cannot really survive no matter what the status we are in, whether rich or poor. We all grown up by the nature. So everyone, so you can see the sculpture up there, the man and woman, it represents our parents. The beginning of human life. They teach us to be good and take care of us. In the center, each represents the sun. That is daylight and heat. So as you can see the circle over there, each represents the universe, which we all live together. So overall in this room, it reminds us the importance of the nature in our life. So later you can come back here to take photos. So now let's move on to the center, which is the third trait. Okay, let's proceed over here this way. Alright, over here. So everyone, this is the Great Pavilion. We call this the third trait of life. For the readers of the space, with the concept of we are born to die, no one can escape the death. Inside the throne, there's no decoration. It tells us the emptiness of life. We came from this world, nothing. We die, we take nothing. We only live in this world is what we did. Whether good or bad, it depends on us. So understanding this truth help us to realize life consciousness, reducing passion, and find our own happiness. So everyone, even the Buddha himself would not escape death. He only lived in this world. It's the philosophy of life, teachings to follow. So later, you can come up here to see what's inside, and please remove your shoes for the respect of the Buddha. Okay, so now let's move on here to the fourth trait of life. This way. This way. Okay, please watch your steps. Okay, so everyone, remember that part over there? That is the balcony. Okay, so later after the tour, you can come back here. You can take photos because this hall is 90% finished. Alright, so everyone, we all know we cannot escape from death. It's connected to the third thread of life. It helps us to think how our life is going. So in this room are the example who left good things to this world. Even though they lived in this world over 100 years, but their goodness is still impact to many of us, so we call this the Chinese room. So I will show the first sculpture that is Avalokiteshvara Savara. And over there, Manchu Sire and Diva. There are people who overcome negative emotions such as anger, greed, and hatred. And the next one here is Lao Tzu, an ancient Chinese philosopher and the founder of Taoism known as Yin and Yang, the black and white. So symbol of balancing nature and virtue. So if we balance the nature with our living, we can find happiness. And the next one, over there is Confucius or Kongzi, an ancient Chinese philosopher and a politician. So he has also the famous golden rules. What we do not wish to ourselves, do not do to others, like karma. What goes around comes back around. Alright, so everyone, there are the example who left good things with this world. So in Thailand, they have also one great example. Okay, so are you still good? Are you still with me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so everyone, don't worry. Just 15 minutes only before we end our tour. So now, I'm gonna show you the amazing man here in Thailand. Okay, after 15 minutes, you have free time to walk around, take a photos until 6 p.m. Let's proceed over here this way. Okay, please watch your steps.
Un sistema de aire también.
Okay, so over here, the previous king, King Pumipon Nadoya the Great. So he is dead how many years ago? But he never dies in the heart of his people. He sacrifices all of his life to improve the quality of his people here in Thailand. So he has thousands of projects like self-sufficiency, not to be greedy, conservation of the nature, important of the environment, and lastly, he supported religions equally. So all of them, from the fortune of life and King Ramanai are the example who left good things to this world. So their goodness are their purpose of life. So everyone, we all know we have a purpose of life. In fact, you cannot tell what is yours and what is mine. So now let's find out over there to the fifth truth. So everyone remember, we explore the seventh truth of life. Okay, so now let's move to the fifth truth. This way. To associate with determine a lot of where you are going in life. The sculpture represents if you associate with the bad people, it will lead us to do bad things. The sculpture represents two men hurting this one man, so that is a symbol of doing bad things. Below, if you associate with the good people, it will lead us to do good things. The sculpture represents a man reading a Bible and sharing knowledge to the others, so that is a symbol of doing good things. Okay, the next example over here. Alright, so everyone, we explore the 20 columns for the fifth thread of life. Okay, so everyone, surround yourself to the people who empowered you to become a better person. The sculpture represents people with a smiling face. It's a symbol of nice society, where the people find their happiness. Okay, so everyone, don't let anyone steal your happiness. Yes, okay, so as you can see the sculpture up there, that is Ganesha. That's the most worshipped god of Hinduism. It's a symbol of success and prosperity. Okay, so over here, come forward this way. Okay, so everyone, be perfectly words. Once they say, only for even, but not for nothing. The sculpture represents women with smiling face, a symbol of aliveness in conversation. Below, taking good care of our parents. As you can see, the son taking good care of his mother who cannot walk, and the daughter providing food for her father. So everyone, let's now Okay, everyone, please go inside. You can take photos later on. So please go inside first. You can pass this way. Pass this way, everyone. Please pass this way. Everyone, this way. Please go inside first. Alright, everyone. English, okay, yes. You go inside first. You can take photos.
Look, watch me. The Guns are off in good fortune. $1 million lottery case and I hope the whole family. I really hope the whole family give in. Just help me win the lottery. I'll do a lot of good. Put a foundation. So if not, then take all my wealth away. Please help me win the lottery. Según lo que les dijeron, esto tiene más de 100 años. Este lugar de aquí. Está muy
पढ़ा ही
bueno.
नहीं मोहित 7 ट्रूथ्स थे पढ़े ही नहीं मैंने
तो बोलना मोहित या बग्गी बुलाने क्यों
Elefantes, pobrecitos.